Hey guys, Mowgli here, and where is the radishes? Radish. So he said the radishes are coming in, and it's been 4 days. So, yeah, so he said the radishes are coming in, and like growing and stuff. He said also the cucumber plants growing and stuff. Cucumber plants and the radishes. Pretty sure Sunday was my 12th video. Help plant these things. Pretty sure. But like, so it's been 4 days since. So yeah, like, so they grew up fast and stuff. But yeah, all those plants over there. This is my cat. Her name's CALLY.
Sweet Johnny. I'm gonna have to separate some of these once they get a little bigger.
Well, yeah, it looks like that's it for right now.
What, buddy?
I'm on video.
Oh.
Yeah. So so I guess that's all right now for this video. Like, so this is gonna be in. It's like a really short video. So remember, subscribe, turn on notification bells, so you know, so like we need 4 more subscribers to me and Wake and gonna make a fort. So I need a total of 10 subs. So me and Wake can make a fort video. Yeah. But it looks like that's gonna be it for the video. This is my cat, CALLY. He's very pretty. Pretty kitty, pretty kitty. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Kitty. So yeah, so it's gonna be in the video. Alright, so yeah, this is gonna be in the video. Yeah. So bye guys.